Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to do a 17-minute English listening and shadowing practice together. Listen carefully to each sentence, then repeat after me. Try to copy my pronunciation, rhythm, stress, and intonation as closely as possible. Don't just listen, speak out loud and shadow every sentence. Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is to train your ears, your mouth, and your brain to work together in English. By the end of this session, you'll have improved your listening skills, pronunciation, and speaking confidence. Are you ready? Let us get started.
I charge my phone every night. I charge my phone every night. You charge the battery before the trip. You charge the battery before the trip. We charge our devices in the office. We charge our devices in the office. They charge customers for delivery. They charge customers for delivery. She charges her watch in the evening. She charges her watch in the evening. He charges the camera before work. He charges the camera before work. I print my homework at school. I print my homework at school. You print the document at the office. You print the document at the office. We print photos for the album. We print photos for the album. They print tickets before traveling. They print tickets before traveling. She prints colorful pictures for class. She prints colorful pictures for class. He prints reports every Friday. He prints reports every Friday. I copy the notes from the board. I copy the notes from the board. You copy the address correctly. You copy the address correctly. We copy the files to a new folder. We copy the files to a new folder. They copy the answers from the book. They copy the answers from the book. She copies the sentence carefully. She copies the sentence carefully. He copies the design onto paper. He copies the design onto paper. I erase the mistake with an eraser. I erase the mistake with an eraser. You erase old messages from your phone. You erase old messages from your phone. We erase the board after class. We erase the board after class. They erase unnecessary files from the computer. They erase unnecessary files from the computer. She erases the pencil marks slowly. She erases the pencil marks slowly. He erases his name from the list. He erases his name from the list. I climb into the car quickly. I climb into the car quickly. You climb the stairs every day. You climb the stairs every day. We climb the hill on weekends. We climb the hill on weekends. They climb rocks near the river. They climb rocks near the river. She climbs carefully during the hike. She climbs carefully during the hike. He climbs the ladder to fix the roof. He climbs the ladder to fix the roof. I deliver packages around the city. I deliver packages around the city. You deliver food to customers. You deliver food to customers. We deliver supplies to the village. We deliver supplies to the village. They deliver newspapers every morning. They deliver newspapers every morning. She delivers flowers to the hotel. She delivers flowers to the hotel. He delivers important documents safely. He delivers important documents safely. I collect coins from different countries. I collect coins from different countries. You collect stamps as a hobby. You collect stamps as a hobby. We collect information for the project. We collect information for the project. They collect trash from the streets. They collect trash from the streets. She collects shells at the beach. She collects shells at the beach. He collects old books from markets. He collects old books from markets. I protect my eyes from the sun. I protect my eyes from the sun. You protect your phone with a cover. You protect your phone with a cover. We protect the environment together. We protect the environment together. They protect children during the storm. They protect children during the storm. She protects her little brother. She protects her little brother. He protects important files with a password. He protects important files with a password. I compare prices before shopping. I compare prices before shopping. You compare two phones carefully. You compare two phones carefully. We compare our answers after the test. We compare our answers after the test. They compare hotels online. They compare hotels online. She compares different colors for the wall. She compares different colors for the wall. He compares his work with others. He compares his work with others. I organize my desk every Friday. I organize my desk every Friday. You organize your clothes neatly. You organize your clothes neatly. We organize meetings every month. We organize meetings every month. They organize books on the shelves. They organize books on the shelves. She organizes family photos in albums. She organizes family photos in albums. He organizes his tools carefully. He organizes his tools carefully. I prepare breakfast before work. I prepare breakfast before work. You prepare tea for the guests. You prepare tea for the guests. We prepare for the exam together. We prepare for the exam together. They prepare dinner in the kitchen. They prepare dinner in the kitchen. She prepares sandwiches for school. She prepares sandwiches for school. He prepares the room for visitors. He prepares the room for visitors. I mix sugar into my coffee. I mix sugar into my coffee. You mix the paint with water. You mix the paint with water. We mix vegetables into the soup. We mix vegetables into the soup. They mix different colors together. They mix different colors together. She mixes flour and eggs carefully. She mixes flour and eggs carefully. He mixes the ingredients in a bowl. He mixes the ingredients in a bowl. I fix my bicycle after school. I fix my bicycle after school. You fix the broken chair. You fix the broken chair. We fix problems together calmly. We fix problems together calmly. They fix computers at the shop. They fix computers at the shop. She fixes her hair in the mirror. She fixes her hair in the mirror. He fixes the light in the hallway. He fixes the light in the hallway. I invite my friends to dinner. I invite my friends to dinner. You invite your neighbors to the party. You invite your neighbors to the party.
Excellent work today. You just completed a full 17-minute English listening and shadowing practice session. Every sentence you listened to and repeated helped improve your pronunciation, listening skills, fluency, and speaking confidence. Remember, progress comes from consistent practice. The more you listen and shadow, the more natural English will become. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English too. Your support helps us create more lessons like this. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for another practice session. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving. Thanks for learning with me, and I will see you in the next video.